Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Purple color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, dark blue color, black color, violet color. Today we'll learn some numbers and alphabets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A for aeroplane. B for blueberry. C for cucumber. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kiwi. L for lion. M for mango. N for nurse. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for strawberry. T for train. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yam. Z for zero. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.